Time up. Biden hands over Harry's immigration papers to Judge Drastic. Decision to be taken. Harry deported. Hello guys, welcome to Box, where we bring you latest celebrity news. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Prince Harry's immigration papers closer to being publicly revealed after judge's order. A judge has ordered President Biden's Department of Homeland Security, DHS, to hand over Prince Harry's immigration papers for him to review and decide whether to make them public. The Heritage Foundation, a conservative think tank based in Washington, D.C., filed the Freedom of Information Act case against the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, after Harry admitted to previously using drugs, which they argue should have disqualified him from entry into the U.S. It is reported that if the Duke did not tell the truth on his entry forms, then he could be removed from the U.S. or barred by a border agent. Harry and his wife Meghan Markle relocated to California in 2020. However, the Heritage Foundation has claimed that the Duke of Sussex must have either withheld information on his past drug use, as mentioned in his tell-all memoir, Spare, or was given favorable treatment due to his status. According to the Daily Mail, Judge Carl Nichols told the DHS that its arguments so far were insufficiently detailed for him to make a decision. Judge Nichols stated that the Freedom of Information law authorized him to review declarations and contested records in camera, which means in private. Doing so would help him to determine whether any exemptions preventing the documents from being made public apply. Judge Nichols said, having reviewed the parties' written submissions and heard oral argument on the motions, the court concludes that in-camera review is necessary to determine whether the records in dispute come within the scope of the claimed exemptions. It was also reported Harry's comments about his potential citizenship in the interview with Good Morning America, which was broadcast on February 16th, will be used by the Heritage legal team in its case. According to a court filing seen by Newsweek, the prince said on the show, "American citizenship is a thought that has crossed my mind, but isn't something that's a high priority for me right now." The Department of Homeland Security has until March 21st to submit declarations. Donald Trump has waded into the controversy and suggested he might kick Harry out of the U.S. if he wins a second term. Former President Donald Trump has hinted that he could deport Prince Harry if he is re-elected, warning the Duke of Sussex that he will not protect him like Joe Biden. The former president spoke exclusively to the Daily Express U.S. at the CPAC conference in Washington, D.C., moments before appearing before a packed audience of conservatives who had waited hours for him. The former president said he wouldn't protect Harry because he had betrayed Queen Elizabeth II. Donald Trump added that if he wins the election in November, then Harry would be on his own.